Fix a paper jam in your HP OfficeJet 8010 or OfficeJet Pro 8020 or 8030 series printer when the printer control panel displays a paper jam error message. Check common areas in the printer for paper jams. Open the front door and lift the cartridge access door. If possible, and without forcing it, slide the carriage all the way to one side and then all the way to the other. Remove any paper found. Locate the paper path cover and lift the handle to remove it. Look inside the printer and remove any paper found. Reinstall the paper path cover until it snaps into place. Lower the cartridge access door and then close the front door. On the output tray, push down the two buttons on the sides and remove the tray from the printer. Slide out the input tray until it stops, and then remove all paper. Lift the tray and then remove it from the printer. Shine a flashlight in the input tray area and remove any paper found. Reinstall the input tray and then the output tray. Slide out the input tray. Load paper and adjust the guides so they rest on the edge of the paper. Push the stack into the tray until it stops. Slide in the input tray. Pull out the output tray and then try to print a document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Resetting the printer can clear paper jam errors. With the printer powered on, disconnect the power cord from the printer and its power source. Wait at least 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the printer and a wall outlet. The printer turns on automatically. Try to print a document again. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.